there are kind of two main ways of getting your footage together. I prefer just the basic tops and tails for a wedding with everything on one timeline. But there is another method, and it's basically this pancake editing. See, I just dragged my sequence clip onto where the timeline numbers are. Okay, and then it will just show up as its own sequence. And what you can do is you can go through and you can start to find clips. And if you find that I mean, in my opinion, if it's a very big, the bigger the wedding is, the more useful it'll be. If it's a smaller wedding, I think it's easier to just group things together and edit them down. But if you have tons of footage, it might be better to just group things and then look through them and start editing things down. Um, so that way you can look at your clip and you can take that and you can actually drag that down into your clip